Click on the link provided in your login credentials email. A login page will appear. Enter your login ID in the username field. Enter your password received via email in the password field. Although logging in, a new screen will appear. It will ask for beneficiary ID and password. Go to the SODES dashboard where you registered. Click on the Exam Data and Status tab. Copy the displayed beneficiary ID. Paste the copied beneficiary ID in the login screen. Use the common student password received in your email. After login, student details will be displayed. You will be prompted to choose a language. English will be selected by default. Click on Next Step. You will be asked to click a single photo, same like during registration. After Take Photo, click on Next Step. Select the same ID used during registration. Click a photo holding the same ID card. After Take Photo, it will contain 30 questions. You must complete it in 30 minutes. Click on Start Exam. After answering all questions, click Submit and confirm. Revoke your certificate.